The Carpenter Shelter is more than just a place for the homeless. Here, you are able to be lifted up and placed back on your feet. The staff at the Carpenter Shelter do more than what is required. Their mission supports the homeless achieve sustainable independence through shelter, guidance, education, and advocacy. They serve over 1,000 homeless children and adults. 90% of the people that come to the shelter find a sustainable house for a year after leaving the shelter. One of the clients went as far as to say that the Carpenter Shelter is so important to people that are homeless because it not only gets people off the streets, but it helps us get our dignity back. So please visit their website at carpentershelter.org and donate to continuously support the homeless in our area and get their lives back.